clipped away, and that will hurry away.
And he gets the runs. This might run away to the boundary. Will fall short, will it? Oh, has he taken it? If he has, it's a brilliant
It's
catch.
the top edge, it should be taken. I think it's Kohli getting underneath it. In fact,
This might be out. Taken comfortably. That's a good catch in the deep. Virat Kohli looks like a big one. Yes, it is. Somebody will. There's another one. It's flatter, but once.
All gone. Yes. It's the nation yet again. Up in the air. Fine leg, sets himself, should take the catch. Does take. Oh, it's gone along mid-off. Has he taken it? Yes, he has.
Oh, ball name. Too quick for the left hand.
The extra pace. Inside edge.
catch it!
Right, that's in the air, but might go beyond. Oh, he's in control of that. That is fielder in the deep. Fielder in the deep. He will.
So many times with Dhoni hitting the winning runs in a crucial game. Pakistan match. Virat Kohli 55 not out, and India won the